I'm about to say something else. Oh, what? A bag of dicks for an executive order. That's what you got. That's what you got. Tell me, family. Tell me. 100%, 100% of 0% equals what? Don't cheat. Don't look at the screen. Don't cheat. 100% of 0% equals what? So now I told you, I'm going to read some of this. I'm going to read some of it just to kind of pander your backside. I want to get a few coons and sambos out here dancing the jig to say, oh, now he's done something for us, prove us wrong. Now, that's why you should get Democrats. You should go out there and vote Democrat. I'm going to read some of this, family. And listen. While I'm reading this, I want you to ask yourself one question. Look for tangibles. Look for how they're going to implement this plan, and how much will it cost, and when, how, when, how much, how, when, how much. Let's read it. Keep having those words in your mind, because anytime somebody says they're going to do something for you, you get a contractor out to your home. You say, yeah, man, what we want is, right, same thing you do when you vote. You go and tell those people what you want. You cash your vote. That's like your check card. That's like using your debit card, right? That's like using your business card, right? When you cash that vote, and then you expect a return, you expect a result, you expect to see something. Like I said, you calling a contractor over, like, yeah, man, I want you to change the backsplash in my kitchen. Okay, give us half payment up front. Here's half the payment. What if that contractor never comes? What if that contractor never comes and do your backsplash? Fraud. It's fraud, right? And he basically stole your money. So let's read about your vote that you cashed in, and let's see this quote unquote executive order for the economic opportunities and excellence of education is going to pan out for us. Let's just see. I want to read a little bit of it. If you don't mind, I'm going to get past the pandering part. Over the course of America's history, Black Americans have helped to build, strengthen, and lead our nation towards becoming a more perfect union. Although far too long, Black Americans were denied even the most basic access to education. The vital contribution of Black Americans in the fields of science, academia, business, and public service, among others, are a testament to the resilience of Black Americans and the steps our nation has taken to expand access to education opportunity. That is when you tell your kid you can't go to the playground. That is when you tell your kid you cannot afford to go to the carnival. That is when you tell your kid you are broke and there won't be no Disney World, no damn Six Flags. You explain the whole situation and you tell your kid how good a little kid they are. But at the end of the day, you ain't going nowhere. You ain't getting nothing. Let me continue. In spite of this progress, entrenched disparities continue to plague America's education system, holding far too long many Black students back from achieving their full potential, blah, 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 blah. Let me get into the meat and potatoes of this thing. Now, ensuring equitable, access to educational resources, professionals, and technology, including by addressing racial disparities in school funding and expenditures. Okay. Breaking down barriers that impede the access of higher education institutions that serve Black students, such as predominantly Black institutions and historical Black colleges, to federal funding and strengthen the capacity of those institutions and parties. I'm sorry. I'm breaking down laughing because this is bullshit. He just said he was going to give money to HBCUs where he just cut $43 billion. That's like someone shaking your hand and slapping your face. They're shaking your hand and slapping your face all at the same time. That's like someone from the bank showing up at your house and say, no, Mr. Ross, we're not going to repo your car. Why your car is getting repoed right in front of you, right in front of the bank. A bank representative is repoing your car and they're giving you a piece of paper saying they're not going to repo your car. Do you understand the benign neglect and fraudulent activity in this executive order for Black Americans? Do you understand, family?
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up out of your sleep, wake up out of your sleep, wake up, I command your sleep, wake up out of your sleep.